मैं युवराज हूँ।
मैं संजय हूँ।
मैं आशीष माथुर हूँ।
मैं अभिमन्यु हूँ।
मैं विशाल हूँ।
मैं मोहित सोनी हूँ।
मैं एक माली हूँ।
मैं आशिक हूँ।
Hello guys, namaste, feel the heart. How are you guys all doing? I believe everybody is fine and well, and I see the excitement in you that you want to learn Hindi. I'm equally excited like you, and to be honest, I'm more excited than you. So let's begin our first lesson here, okay? So the very first lesson, I will teach you to introduce yourself, where you will be able to say, who are you? Basically, I am this, I am that kind of things you will be able to say here, okay? So to introduce yourself, what do you do generally? You tell your name, or you tell your profession, or whatever you do, isn't it? The same thing you will be able to learn today in this lesson, okay? So the very first thing you need to learn is the word called I, okay? The word I in Hindi we call मैं, okay? मैं. So in the मैं you see the N, that N is not fully pronounced, okay? See how I'm pronouncing. मैं, 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 मैं. So it's not main, okay, like maybe Britishers or American will pronounce. The main reason of learning Hindi, no, it's not main, okay? So no N. N should be around 15 to 20% only nasalized, okay? So मैं, focus that, remember it. मैं. मैं means I. मैं. मैं. Okay, the next thing, मैं you have written. So the next thing that you have to insert is your name. What is your name? Or what is your profession? Put any noun, okay? You can bring that. So मैं, and my name here, for example, is Anil. So I'll say Anil and the verb whom. Okay, so मैं Anil whom. Okay, now this whom, what is this whom? This whom is am. In English equivalent is am. So मैं Anil whom. So मैं means I, noun or name, who is verb. So you just discovered that the verb is at the end, which is not in English. In English, verb comes after the subject, isn't it? In English, verb has to come right after the subject. But in Hindi, verb comes at the end, okay? That's the number one difference that we have already discussed actually. So this difference you always have to have, always keep in mind, always and always in Hindi sentence, not only here, in entire Hindi language. Verb always comes at the end, okay? So subject, object or name, any noun, then you put the verb. So मैं Anil हूँ. Now when I'm pronouncing who, you see the word is written H-O-O-N. So the same concept just like N, who should not, you should not pronounce as a hun. A lot of my students makes this mistake, hun, okay? And that's why I want to tell you that remove that N to 15%, like just pronounce 15 to 20%. So it's hun, okay? Hun. So another thing I want you to look into my mouth when I'm pronouncing, okay? When I say hun, there are two kinds of nasal sound that I will tell you in future, right? One nasal sound that comes only from the nose, and another type of nasal sound that comes through the nose and the mouth. See, now when you say who, the air has to flow through the nose, it has to comes out through the nose, and it has also comes out through the mouth. So okay? Blow the air from the mouth and the nose. Okay? So मैं अनिल हूँ. Okay? Now let's take some other examples of other names and other profession. Alright? You're a student, aren't you? So, मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ. मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ. विद्यार्थी means student. मैं चिकित्सक हूँ. Chikitsak means doctor. Chikitsak is a pure Hindi word for the doctor, but these days in day-to-day speaking you will also find people saying simply doctor, you know. Okay, so मैं चिकित्सक हूँ. I'm a boy. So मैं लड़का हूँ. मैं लड़का हूँ. If you are a girl, you will say मैं लड़की हूँ. Okay, so मैं लड़की हूँ for the girls. Okay, so that's how you can make different kinds of sentences. You can bring also some profession, like मैं, just like चिकित्सक was a profession, isn't it? Doctor is a profession. So मैं चिकित्सक हूँ. You can also talk about, oh, I'm a mother. मैं माँ हूँ. Ma means mother. So when I say ma again, it's not man, it's not n. Same concept. Ma, and then that n has to be 15 to 20%. Always remember, in Hindi, this rule applies. The last n mostly is 15 to 20%. So मैं माँ हूँ. मैं पिता हूँ, father. Okay, so मैं पिता हूँ. I'm a man also, not only the boy. So if I want to say I'm a man, you know, so मैं आदमी हूँ. Okay, मैं आदमी हूँ. If you are a woman, what you will say? मैं औरत हूँ. मैं औरत हूँ. मैं आदमी हूँ. मैं औरत हूँ. So you just learn how to say who you are, isn't it? Now let's take a look over some real life examples.
मैं युवराज हूँ.
मैं संजय हूँ.
मैं आशीष माथुर हूँ.
मैं अभिमन्यु हूँ.
मैं विशाल हूँ.
मैं मोहित सोनी हूँ.
मैं एक माली हूँ.
मैं आशिक हूँ.
I want you to teach you, like, you know, one more thing here, like a and n and the article concept. So it will be very easy to say, hey, I'm an engineer, I'm a doctor, but we will not do here. We'll do that in the next video lesson. So just grind your knowledge around this, do some practices, and I will see you to the next video lesson. Alright? Bye bye.